Hello guys, in this video, we will explain how to find out the account passwords that are stored on your phone, whether it is the Facebook password, Instagram or any social networking site or other sites. A simple method that does not require any programs. All you have to do and follow the steps explained in this video before broadcasting in the explanation. Thank you to everyone who supports me. Thank you from the heart, and I hope from the heart that you get everything you wish for. Now let's go through the explanation. The first step is to go to the browser that you have. I have Google Chrome. You go to the browser that you use. Then you click on the three small dots above us, then click on Settings. After clicking on Settings, you click on Password Manager. Here, my friend, you will find all the passwords that I have stored here. To know the password for any account, just click on it. Here, you will find the login information. Here, you will find the password. I clicked on the password. It will appear. Click on the I mark. The password will appear. You do not want to know my account password. This was the topic of today's video. I hope you liked it and benefited from it. Inquiries for any problems or suggestions, write it in the comments, and we will meet in an upcoming video, God willing.